Hi, everybody. Today we are looking at the Vans practice kit. I did step 1 and step 2 on the 16th of December. And then you're looking at step 3, 4, 5, and 6. Step 3, 4, and 5 in this video set. So step 3 included deburring and using the C-frame dimpler. And I didn't get the camera turned on in time for that. But what you see here is fitting the ribs into the, that's back riveting the stiffeners to the skins with the rivet gun and the back rivet set. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm using rivet tape on the back, placing my rivets in, and you see that's a back riveting bar that I've got underneath it. Using the back rivet set on the rivet gun, riveting down, and then you'll see me check with that little black piece there. That helps me gauge whether or not I have good rivets on those. And then you'll see me do the same thing on the next set. Now I move on to step 4, taking the blue plastic protector off the ribs. And you'll see me fit these ribs into the spar and get everything set up nice and neat on that spar. So this will make it actually look kind of like a wing once we're done with it. And that's the purpose of this practice set, is to get you used to doing things that may be done during the airplane build. So here I'm clamping using clamps, which are spring-loaded and allow you to clamp things together. It's a little tappy tap there. And then the next thing will be to, here I am determining what size rivet it is. So these bags came with rivets in them, but they didn't say what size the rivet was. So I looked up what size it was and marked it down on those bags. So I measured the rivets. I knew that like 470 is a round head and 426 is a flush head or a flush rivet. So on the plans here, it says to drill with a 12-inch drill bit. And I bought that kit the RV14 kit from Cleveland Tools, and that came with that 12-inch drill bit. And luckily enough, I used it on this project. You'll see me throughout this cleaning up, so I used a little vacuum to clean up a little bit. Here's a couple extra parts that are going to get match drilled through the back there, and we Cleco those on. And that's what you see with those red-handled pliers is me working with Clecos, which in this video, it looks like the copper ones, which are, if I'm not mistaken, those are 1/8 size holes. And then you Cleco everything together. It basically clamps the 3 pieces together and you match drill it. And then you'll see me taking all of this apart. And in the next video, you'll see me taking it over and deburring everything. Well, that's a little bit of deburring right there. So here I'm moving the camera because I'm going to work on deburring those flanges. And here I'm using a 3M deburring wheel on that's a bench grinder. See you in the next video.